Are you looking for a logo that's one of a kind, just like your business? Hey there, I'm Lauren from the Vista team, and I'm excited to help you choose which Vista logo service is right for you. Need a logo today? Create your own with Logo Maker by Vista. It's quick and easy to use, provides instant access to your design, and it's completely free. Logo Maker is a do-it-yourself service where you can create, customize, and find inspiration for your new logo from thousands of creative templates. This service is a great option for those looking for a custom logo on a limited budget with no design skills required. Want something even more unique? Why not hire a professional designer? With our Hire a Designer option, you're matched with a freelance designer from 99 Designs by Vista, who will take the time to understand your business and craft a logo just for you. This is a great option for those wanting to invest in a more in-depth process to create a truly unique logo. An additional feature of this option is that once your design is complete, we'll connect you with a Vista expert who'll help you bring your brand to life with guidance and support on Vista's amazing range of print solutions. Finally, if you'd like to explore a range of custom designs for your business, you can launch a 99 Designs by Vista contest, which opens your design brief to our experienced designers. In a contest, you'll receive multiple original logo concepts, each created by a professional designer with a unique style of their own. This service is perfect for those who are looking to experiment with different creative directions but want to leave the heavy lifting to the experts. And no matter which logo service you choose, all logos come with files formatted for web and print, making it easy to bring your design to life with Vistaprint's collection of printing options, including business cards, apparel, marketing materials, and more. And if you're still not sure, you can always reach out to our wonderful care support team. We'll help you select the logo solution that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to being your #1 partner for business design and print.